ran a 13:56, which was not ideal. We both want the car to be faster, to be pushing better quarter mile times. Yeah. And so there's going to be a few things that we do today to kind of
real sketchy
change that.
But don't worry, you'll see it.
First checkpoint. It looks kind of cool. I think it's called the Garden of Eden, but I don't know. I don't understand it, but it looks really cool. How is everything going?
It's going.
How are
Seems to
you?
staying cool. My ghetto fix is working for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll
I see
stay
you
that
got
way.
your applesauce.
I do have my applesauce.
Yep.
Crystal.
Hi, Ryan.
Oh, you're recording. Hello.
That's okay. Did it bend the wheel at all?
What?
Did it bend the wheel?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it just blew the bead. Ross just putting out fillers to see if we can get somebody here to trade through this back brake van.
I'll come with you.
Oh, no, let's put it in Caleb's trailer.
Oh, yeah.
Let's double down with the what we need. Let's put it in yours. And
Eric, what happened?
Well, we were driving over a bridge and there was a big combine coming the other way.
How rude of them.
And so me and Ryan are like, man, we're not going to make it over that bridge. There's not enough room.
Yeah.
We got off the road best we could, slammed on the brakes. Dad behind us slammed on the brakes. We see Brad's trailer just, we're like, oh no. I mean, what just happened? Did Brad lose it? Did someone hit Brad? And then we realized someone hit Brad. And, of course, ended up being Trevor. He just couldn't get stopped in time. It's like It's just one of those deals. We couldn't do anything about the tractor. So
Yeah. So for now, we are in what is this? Portis, Kansas.
we're a little past Portis. Honestly, I can't remember the name of this town.
And we're gonna continue to Great Bend. Trevor and a few others stayed back to make sure his truck can get loaded, to make sure he can get parts and hopefully continue being on race.
So, or either drive back home with the trailer home and fix race in Kearney.
Yeah. I guess we'll just have to see. What'd you do?
So when we hit that pothole on the way here, put a whole bunch of crossover really bad. So we went to the parts store this morning and got that, quality JB Weld exhaust wrap. So I took that, wrapped it around the hole, and then I wrapped it nice and tight, of course. And then I took a can, cut the can in half, shoved the can up there, put 4 hose clamps along the can as tight as I could get them. So we're gonna see if it will.
Ron Augustine is back.
Oh, yep. There it is.
We're gonna see if it will.
So what happened when we left? Did somebody tow you?
Somebody tell me?
Towed you.
Yeah, just because trying to get it out of the middle of the road.
Yeah. And then you got to a shop.
So they took it to the automotive college in Kansas.
Oh?
And one of the shop trucks was a Dakota.
Oh my
They pulled the
gosh.
rack out of it and the brake line.
Oh my gosh. So does it drive okay? Does it drive it like it did?
It's the drive shaft's hitting, so I'm trying to figure out why.
Oh. I see you're putting your tires on though.
Yeah, well, right now I'm looking at the drive shaft, but then I will switch Toyers over.
Switch Toyers over.
One of the lines that's supposed to be the thing that tells the boost controller how much boost that the car's making was plugged into one of the spots for one of the hoses that's supposed to regulate the boost to the wastegate. So it was basically one of the hose from the wastegate. One of the hoses from the wastegate to the boost controller was the one that should have been from the turbo to the boost controller. So it was saying it was making no boost.
Yeah.
The whole time. So it was just the wastegate was staying open.
Which is why you were 14.7.
Yeah. It made 0 pound boost. So I'm gonna swap that one in when it cools off a little bit. I'm gonna drive it to make sure it actually makes boost, so I don't have to wait again.
Yeah.
So we'll see. So this one needs to go back to the wastegate, but it's probably too hot for me to even do that.
Yeah, you got it. Tension in the pits. Tension in the pits. 1320 is going to wrap up their Birch booth at 9 o'clock. So if you need a last 1320
That guy
video
was
thing,
running to here,
go down to the Birch booth,
which
pick
is
that up.
supposed
They
to
also
be
have that 1320
this guy.
street shine
So
Yeah.
this
down
one
there. Don't
is
forget
where
about
this is
that.
supposed to go.
Okay.
High
this was
quality
running to
detail equipment.
So all the it
So
was
yeah,
probably
if you
filling
want-
up. It was just
you got
bleeding
some
off all the pressure.
Inkling and need. Earl Grozinski, Bob K, and Mark Hill, thanks so much to BMF Automation putting this thing together with the reaction time chairs. I've been calling them all sorts of crazy stuff, like the reaction time rocket chairs, and you should go
did you
check those
change
Out. They're
last
super
time?
neat. They make it simulate like you're doing a wheelie. It's very, very
Huh?
cool.
I don't know, Jeff.
And again, thanks to all the staff out here at Kearney Raceway Park. You guys are all doing a fantastic job. And also, I did hear that.
What was it that you changed?
I did a timing retard. So
don't get too comfortable.
when he's on the two stumps,
get a little
I
comfortable.
pull.
I'll be down for just a
I
second.
want to say around
I
10
have to go
degrees of
visit the little
timing,
boys' room.
so that that'll help light the turbo up faster. I wasn't able to mess with fuel. I'd like to add some fuel with that, but
Don't
I need
have a
the laptop.
computer.
Yeah. I need
Yeah.
the laptop.